Hey guys, so it is Tessa here. In case you've never seen my face, hello, it's nice to meet you. Today I'm going to be filming a upper body workout video. This is like my go-to upper body workout. I have little twigs. I know, I'm aware, they're very twiggy. However, I promise my twigs are strong, okay? I promise. So if you guys want a lean dancer, like strong upper body, this is definitely a good workout for you. I promise it will not bulk you up. It will tone you, it will get you some cut muscles, but it won't make you like really big. So yeah guys, if you are interested in getting that look and just feeling strong and being capable of running away from people if you need to and hopping a fence, that's what I always think about. Yes, I'm very weird, but it's true. Say you need to run away from someone and you're running and you have to hop a fence. What if you can't push yourself over the fence? Like, you're gonna die. So yeah, back to it. If you guys want that lean, toned, strong dancer upper body, this is definitely the workout video for you. Yeah, it's pretty simple, very basic, not fancy exercises, but it is so efficient. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's get on in. First things first, we're going to start with stretching as always. So here you guys can see I have a band. I'm just stretching out my shoulders, doing what feels good, and then I also do a little warm up. So I usually do about a minute of high knees, some jumping jacks, just to get my blood pumping, warm my body up a little bit so that I'm more ready to actually start the workout. For the first exercise, we're going to do bicep curls, 10 3 times. So the goal here is to keep your elbows fully connected to your sides and also have your shoulder blades pinching back so that you keep your back fully activated. Engage your core, so have your belly button sucking towards your spine, feet parallel and knees slightly bent. And remember, this is a bicep exercise, so really focus on isolating that. Next up, push-ups. So we're going to do 10 3 times. You can do wide, little closer as you can see, and then fully narrow to engage different parts of the upper body. Remember, form is most important, so alter the exercise depending on your capabilities. So as you can see here, you can go up to a bench, or you can do them on your knees, just anything that works. You want your form to be the best because then you're going to work your strength up from there. Now dips. So once again, you can do these tricep dips on an elevated bench, you can do these on the ground, whatever works. But you want your body fully parallel and you want to get as low as possible, focusing on engaging the backs of your arms, the triceps. This is a very important muscle for ladies, especially because triceps can get kind of saggy and that's not fun. Now for my absolute favorite, I'm fully sarcastic here, chin-ups. I've always struggled so much with them. So as you can see here, I still do use a band. I can do a couple free, but when I do a lot, I need to use a band. So what I do is I simply just max out my chin-ups 3 times. Then in between each round of chin-ups, I do 10 of these tricep pull-downs. I have the band there, so I just do it. Once again, keep the elbows fully glued to your sides and really focusing on engaging that muscle in the back of your arm, the tricep. Very important to have a toned, tight tricep. So yeah, I do a round of max chin-ups, 10 of these tricep pull-downs, max chin-ups, 10 of the tricep pull-downs, max chin-ups, 10 of the tricep pull-downs. Then once again, of course, ended with stretching. And that is the video. I hope that you try this for yourself. I hope that you like it. And yeah, please like, comment down below if you have any questions, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff. I love you guys, and I will see you soon.